Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane
yena abusia ye mamo ajo na emakwaba ene eye yawada 19th August 2021 emraso said sinopi etimi edebra bi ahwe free bi across the country and beyond yena aseso anyamre na otu TV ho a wo twen ye ene enyamre na yetimi edi enkomo wadwe nche no so rebeba enyamre kan etimi di ama voice note enso fabra na yetimi emo emfa emamedin ede se mike ha Kumawood TV wo san hwe live on Facebook Kumawood TV na do comment na to ne enyamre kan na afi wa share na manfo so enya bi etimi ahwe na afi oko YouTube so a eno so Kumawood television ena ya wo ye trust enyamre etimi edi nkomo His Excellency the former president of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama we thank you to na ase aprobo na okro say yeto abama no December 7 2020 na nkunumdie de wanye ne de na nso no we say obo apro no dan krofo ase esu appreciation say do mu ye na je ho next time omo san enye ema ne ntrasa I don't think okọ apro 7 de bebre na wode atudwa we say nei Ohunupa say elections are won at the polling station. Now we don't win elections at Supreme Court. Inti say you go no next election there ekwembia so there is be go akwembia mo matwe win elections no polling stations no and am be because NDC near ready so go court to view the elections are clearly won at the polling station. Said there e be atwam the electoral commissioner Ralph Rejan ekaye no abenada Mahama so e dey atoso na no no what say isi o hoy there wanyini ne kura wasan ka biu say Ghana for enhwe na omon compare and contrast say amanyuku a etimi the infrastructures sisi adan ye ya kwan ene de ade a amanyuku etimi ye sare ni bi Ghana pa no NDC to kwara say NDC is the king of infrastructures and also ene de watimi ade atudwa wasan atudwa bi o say ade ye ne ya pa ene say ne o ya mapenda da wadi mani bi so pen na onim se de o man no isi siti e no otu mapenda da o mampani otisui akufo adofo a onfa o say ha de pa na no de ojitum pa se covid na e ba ye no enya no e na me sikasem atumi asai na emom mampani no ano na aban no e na isi sikasem no eye nsamo mampani da John Dramani Mahama ka de doso pa ebenyamre na enei yatena si His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, thank you to our corner and some of the other Jano, and the matter rise in the Benya Mre, Etimi, Ediho, and Combo. And also, everywhere, when we say, and Nano, a Benada, and agenda 111, SRC, Ewo, my Ghana, Trade, Ewa Chuma, Kwangoma, and a Edaso for more penny, SAS, you have $100 million. Edimi and finds 88 hospitals. I say, Ewo, my Ghana, and on 100-bed capacity hospitals across the country in 88 districts. Now, I don't know, and I calculate me brave, I home say, bet me, to me, I'm out my foot to crown on penny, and ye, Eddie Flop, so no dear. Before Crown and Penny Babano, no one say Ghana for the one in the name or no so Munji de Pa, so and Penny bit me into 1 year. Now, on for ancient many critics. One will be a casa for home and Ramote, as the Kaka, I want to say, no. Say, and this is one of my prophet of doom, and I'm going to be as a master name, Steka, member of parliament for Inshaso, and Ra, or the Tujawa studio hacker, actually, say, Impo Mambani cried me and in our crown. The one will bet me and the infant Bible, into me and Town Penny, not on yet. Na if I saw Emery na a name coalition for health NGOs and CSOs and I bet to H say almost a lot of questions. So find the Canadian free at the SC those hospitals no because we have almost $1.5 billion and the SC. Now and somewhere information on and answer response health minister at the Amawomo and it's a government funded project. At the Ghana Banya and a copy Scarabay project no. And coalition for health NGOs are omono health sector no can say saa something the muna hosa please affiliate and on penny ko risk and $100 million spent na 18 months there $1.4 billion no unya free him the minister any aban no and some review with the founding of this project be jamre na etumi e di hon komo na sama for health minister chirem die nti amomo ho no project no enya enko so contractor no ene sika no so mo de man no ene sika no covid ni ba enti ho ba ban sasanya dade a entimi ba na nche kra no oba site na oba ye adwuma no ene so nkomo e wa ha University Teachers Association of Ghana 20 aka na UTAG onum se enei omuguso a omo e wa strike na eno na de to monim se MOUB akoso ama enche kra UTAG for no e chiri mu se de National Labour Commission for the go akwan mu no ne Ministry of Education ekoye di a omesa back to the classroom na almost suspended almost strike no ene de abeto ja ene so almost mo hwe ni mukosi juada se juada omo ne ministry no ene National Labour Commission focus ya na omo ti asem papa de a ene definitely they will suspend their strike and also won some into UTAG strike no enya de say omo are suspended chane so pa efa emame and also komo e wa ha na Auditor General I ne we acting obesi Ura Domevlo anemu na one o mampani kwesi aye na ono mampani edi nkomo Ura Johnson akuamwa asiedu na Ghana mampani ebo na baso pa se wo de oba aye o report ko de aba 2020 Auditor General report o de aba kra che se dwano betumi aye wanye se nkrofo bi won wo ye professional wanye partisan on fa nkrofo bi nsi wani so adwuma no kron na o de o ye no na emom se do si ye no akoso ye ne saa na enkofa do bi obetwa mu de waye je nsama mapani kan de na say definitely mapani e ba kire say de okoye no na ne suban enye de wa bai suban pa wada na de no onto aso enkoso na afi entimi enko na manfo bi nso che say mapani se do si kasa ye de na say mame papa Domevlo na on no e problem ana ano so nkomo e wa ha na mame Charlotte say December 7th na wo hene December 7th 2020 no hene so jafo no discussions nti odi nkomo no na Charlotte say mu say in fact ono afi etwa mu e ba no wan to bi no be say adan wa be NCC national boss wa be electoral commissioner pen ni nyina so na wo bonto ase amanfo na so tumanfo so mo nto aba ada na Charlotte wan to aba ni bi no say me man to bi abato no man to bi in fact e ka mi to bi na me boa na that time ko na to aba that day no na me Charlotte say na me ne me ma beach on the 6th on the 7th on the 8th ni beach na ye gi ani no say adan no say another compulsory ye tia me ka me ko ya bato so ana nti man to bi Ghana for say me say ngona hi bia ka de ma me no ni kwa so ka sa na de adness any pan one to bi waka no kore wo so no kwa wanya ekwan anya registration ni bi Ghana so no on register so a undimi nto aba ndinka asem we kura no ni tenten kwa na ne say ama me mo na ho kire dey say well osakasa e dey afa LGBTQ no o se kwan ya fa so deal with them no on case wo gitum se tumutumu nkoso de enso kwan ya fa so ene wo mo ye bi deal no enya kwa papa so ntebe ya yensan enwene ho bio sam no de adoso atrase ha sinu pe nyamre na afi yatumi adi enkomo na se AstraZeneca no yesi yenya bi the Free United Kingdom bo e wo ba kwa yenya emobio no yenso betumi enya kwan atumi abosa na Ashanti region has been ranked first in suicide cases say ona wo so wan konfo e wo my Ghana say regions ni na no Asante mantamu pa ena do so pa enti chane so na onso ja sa de no say ohunto kakra be na akoso wan konfo no amfo mo to mo do so pa even omo ko susu say ebia ye no omo so te so pa enya agronti mema sanema no entumi emu abem na ebia anka so how bia community no okoshe wo ho akonfo meeting at the same mind and ya wada last week na His Excellency Eniha enei His Excellency Akwasi Adey Odike future president at the Republic of Ghana say da no bi ne me jet den say emamu danam say enye ni pa de si hini o enyame ene si nti enye dan ya dachi bi no so me ne be je say Odika be president na me ne very close san ka at least ha dwene sa obi ene wa oti for Asapa Kodo what I say nti future president His Excellency Akwasi Adey Odike ofia sanso and a security analyst and then national communication team member of the NPP Nana Aggression and so ever journey and afi nyamre etimi edi enkomo mamentia Ghana's health minister Owura Kwaku Agyeman menu apa yenchiao pa na wiei mene Akwasi Adey Odike nyina no yenchiao pa na amensan kan so say ebia ye kan asem ewo show on the 29th of July na anya oda esrewa fache said ye no tie die na wa unua pani Odike ana unua kuma so unua kuma Odike ni utie die nim se chana so de che na ye nyina no said ye sitie dada na no enye sa na enema entimi enkoso yes sense akwaba
ye nua
boko die
mejo so eburu
good say we ya we say health minister say kan say bia anya ne de say word bia use mu anu anya ne de ma patch of them so de beto so kakra
oh anya hwe say o say aka say bi na anko ya twesai nti ye de ye mpem manso
good
manso nya de pa na adwuma na akofa ato no so no ensem bi sa obeti bi it say leadership is to pen so be seen there sa na akwa nim say edu yeso a yeso o see nya the test skin any big heart I be accommodate everybody enti where politician they yeah o so twin sem ko ni me dey I don't begrudge him enti o ma so ndwemra yeso ya ma so ndwe aba
yeso ma so ndwe aba right enti honorable masumdi mra yenso ye masumdi mra na aja yensi akra na aja yentimi eni nkomo yeguso di nkomo adwenche ne fabra o de ko Facebook a beke kan sa so na number se screen ase no o de fa so be nyamre na afi yetimi akenkan etimi ede amawa ha eye Kumawu TV yemfa sedan bi ema ya boa for God's Way Casket Shop Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center ebi enso enko ema Kumawu Training Institute our travel and logistics and afi Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic so me na so aseme de dwumade no etumi ede abrewo your excellency me say watch video bi a akoso Asante Mampo Monica Training College onya bi ahwe
me hwe
oh onya bi hwe
baby
onya sure
baby
okay munyi video no emfama no hwema me na musa say sadati bi be president a on say ma be ba ho pa with me bisa video na ready how dey munyi man hwema so onya hwe ye na so wo WhatsApp bebre na social media ada na nsen ko so
oh mate say amanfo to twena basane ase
wati okay what's the name of so na o he video ni nti video ni our father our chaplain majo nti hwe ni pa na uya o president di no watu afo kakra Baje wa huni ti ma me nsa na ofio ma no o se a holy kiss Ghana for action bibiri boni we boni bi ehu sa
in actual fact baby o gina yes ade no won say Jesus Christ kura no Judas yi na manoko fe no na no normally yana a sign of love but emina yi wo covid aba na mo bia yi ni no sumas say onki siu no a flout to the covid protocol.
Yeah.
Then again baby a wugina as a sorry them no my dream say entry.
Okay.
Now all in all no semra kwan bi why the first be here them first.
Okay.
But to me yinyama law enforcement agencies no
okay
no mun deal with it than say in the public court of opinion ebe accuse no
ba bi mo so say assembly wo na ba na say ya nka bia omo npanifo na nya ho hwe na obi ebu na ni aguso
oh na say bebre ni aka mpanifo ajuma menu asoma ye kan ya ebe si ne no na court de
document breaches no Salata se kura na interview kura kan bi wo mi say
okay abuga pele NCA4 so many and o suffer the penalty o man panyini papa kwete e so ko leave
yeah o 2 weeks
no in the coy we dey ko gina ni krum ko kan o man panyini ze Ghana 4 to 20 minister e bona sum left prices clearly o man panyini a clearing agent so many issues and aboma we mo we defending the ministers afekwa de na ekodanya ne o man panyini se na pension corruption has become a thing of the past.
Also, Bojuma, when it comes to fight against corruption, they are Bojuma.
That's how Papa will become someone.
No, boy.
Nana Kufuado. Now say you were a world perception corruption index.
Yeah.
Our rating by Bia Nana Kufuado a Kugin. Auditors General Report 2017. Mama time na sika eduna for amanfo nsem well almost 800 million na Akufo-Addo by 2017 to 2019 ekodu 9 billion and na bino ka say akodu 12.85 billion say o manage corruption now protect the public purse. We what auditor general so aya ade no ono kwa de baaye no wo de cost so ana Ghana ni bia wo anim say apart from government wo ankasa na do wanya mu title as mother serpent of corruption baby abefa bia corruption is around.
But I will say my commitment to fighting corruption is still fast. The commitment so they fight corruption no e gina na so pa enya agro and talk from crowd
by west and answer by deed nanado asem na work is it by west or by deed and only are they separating nanado from others
okay
or kasa no action
oh sana hu
no too for kwa beka dia chen anu kwa na ye ne de se wo kasa wo rate wo kasa ma say opa look ade no lewu akofo bae when akokana obi a voice note ba o say yewu dike okasa tia na nado yewu akofo bae of fight corruption ko du ba bia eje ne nsem o say corruption fra dam pen so
yeah
obeye bi but corruption still persists ya tinase on say the city but who di mekanche say yenim say we corrupt. What by Mumpenfo do na corrupt. The system is corrupt. No one turn around because say, oh, fight corruption, what fight to your best ability. Anyway, the best ability, no, the lowest to Ghanaians.
Okay, so for him saying, say, oba yi sika ode ewuremu for anti-corruption campaigners and the issue of introduce special prosecutor's office they have the existing ones in your shrad ni you konya de hono can't you see say and no cry no enough testimony to say at least about homody.
When we want to fix Ghana with accountable leadership, all these institutions, they are there to go after perpetrators. Corruption. One aspect of it. And the other aspect, a preventive mechanism would they put in place to prevent its occurrence.
Okay.
It's another what he at the what they will be at to say. Me call a police station or it may be na TV I have a report na police for call abrem. And say about two pum. Ah confonya ngam dey na much easier.
Obetum.
Na na do two pum bia mu. Ana perpetrators no kwa no. Na na do by one chem nipa dodo a na o ti opposition na o kase obo be chichu mu wetima aya hu bi.
Am say o court. Ogusu o court.
Obi ti say Coco former Coco boss.
Ofuni.
Ya kodia 73 years. Ya sa right asem na yedi ni nyina ba zero. Ya be sa se fufuro bi. Minua.
Say, for the matter of records, my administration since 2017 had increased resource allocations to anti-corruption institutions such as Parliament, the Judiciary, Police, Yoko, and SHRAG. Now, you know also because I'm planning to do it. Say, now, Munya, and then I'm with me, Edina so, and they fight corruption. Munya, Amubi, Munsum, Amufanya. It's almost so moment me and Fanya. Yeah, I've one venue.
I don't know, just another one. Corruption and its fight on Tiasi. Or no look at resources where they go after perpetrators.
Okay.
We have about coronary and Yakopam. Action. And maybe to say the right way is to prevent it. A business say, a ban president, the power shall one a dorsal. Eti yanya constitutional review.
Okay.
Na yanya power senator do na ma yanya wo man mu. Na eno na be state institutions are accountable to the state.
Okay.
But anado odeni nye sa asem na meka no because ye ne ba ebe cripple ebe slash ebe tuatwa ema corruption ne ba no. Eti NDC ni MPP omunya omadene say constitutional review na ebe si corruption ano no ombe me yaye omianu yo bianu the manifesto or ka constitutional review wansem
okay
koma kwa bem ahu say constitution we e makwama wo bokro no na fa ahudi eti they will pay lip service
but by one always you're talking about corruption I say they are even see politicians. But I want to be able say directors. I'm going to politicians. I'm going to drain the country no more than the politicians.
No, the state institutions are chief directors. Are we are technocrats? We are bank call about what you are directed the administration of the ministry and that department.
Sure.
But 2 minutes around, ona oba administer and yama be koso. It is a one ya corrupt chief director don't mean ya corrupt. Oh yes. Nana Kufuor one ya corrupter. Corruption and ka 5 years nika and once am akoda. Because leadership, whatever happens at the top notch of leadership and the trigger. It is another mu ya omu fun o mani sika. Yaka corruption enye sikawia nkwa wo
even attitude yeah and
enye sikawia nkwa wo kwese ato aba besi ne ya what transfer power ama ho What do you mean DC is in MDC?
Almost more chambers of Munya or competent enough.
Mr. Information I say, open for Umba Baumia winning primaries.
So, sir.
No what transfer power amount. You know your people already. And your new government now be form. I continuity. Now 8 months. Says chaos the district assemblies. You know, have to break 8 months. All the districts are trying to president when you're corrupt.
Oh, but in 8 months, if you're saying or chain or microphone with me, I about me, the party no in 8 months, and another name is just so many information you was say be as soon as near semester or maybe about me, prophet.
But Musa, one question. Ababia no waba Ghana hivi do I have fresh government crown. But now, we say what I mess by. Or say, Mama more than in Yaduma.
4 months.
Yes!
Yeah, maybe before.
One delay cry, one keep put the country in a suspense.
But now, no, so they are still acting.
Acting is different from, say, we are substantive. At a mess one can so mark you. Or say they should continue their work.
Yeah.
So they were substantive. But when I say acting, what it means, they say, policy decision you want to take.
Even acting, and I remember I said, yeah, my almost up to April. After April, no, I've spoken to some of the DCs, but there's another letter be answered, but at least they're acting.
So, and what can you say? Oh, share, Chile, Copem say, you be substantive. It what it means, they say, so many payments want to be 30. Eti, Sika was a free common fund, eba, I want to know, statutory payments, Emma.
But in a way, has it affected the performance of the government?
Oh, say,
affected the performance of the government, no, our form.
Ah, no, for form. One only pay award your word. Sika or de, the presidency, but the other district, Emma. It's all from one and what on the autism from would need it. He doesn't care. That is the bottom line. Won't so far from more. What kind you won't show you? We need DC, we know Pia. But only the decade, the budget allocation started here, a co-appropriation, we must start here disbursement. But Skaba, from it is not forthcoming. This is the kind of president was a corruption. Wants to so. What a corruption I say? Corruption, yes, you're from bribery and it's from corruption. Suba Wadana Dinya is an act of corruption. What taking the whole country to a ransom?
And yet better say, someone move be mum penny from can say, Obacha Jaya, no, and yet better say, Obet train. Now, Obeto to near me, now more competent enough to handle the affairs of the district assemblies, no, than to rush, appoint somebody in Panabia, on to manage man.
When said district assemblies, you know, say appoint you, your friend at the assembly, and call you up. Sure. And we have 2 years, 3 years, no more, man.
Oh, and you see that.
Oh,
2 years in see that, maybe 2 months.
What's this?
Hey,
Master, I only Kruma.
Oh, this
from a beard, the 1 year, Yakua bar. I'm saying, I vote out your Kwanasiamu, Meti, baby. One of the district no money DC because of election now. If you want to so appoint to September. Now crowd they granted say it be this 6 months. Now first one na yenya DC. Now yechisha enko do December no. Now the whole year abese kwa district bebre ni DC. 83 years na aka no. Ye wura mo a omo ba be yo primaries. You free primaries you prepare for general elections. There's a district, you be a basa.
You are not the way you are not sounding politician. Politician there say obey Johnny say the course Ukraine a year. Say the beya won't mean adwuma nanka at least African mentality. So we need this is won't mean adwuma nanka or lose elections. But also constantly no. You are not sounding political.
Na say o man say we na yefa me odike. Say niam bi nko yire man ka amia ntete no ama o man ni mu ana ho. Na me say me parochial interest. Me say be di president. It is an akufo do feli ma kwatra sorry them. Ewurade man feli o, ewurade man feli no feli no. I'm going to take the shine. Ghana for be unu so wa feli ndi me na meba. Now Ghana for ani ni here.
also bomb pie mo bi oto no so sidi na otumi tutu nyama nyame boa na Ghana fo se bra obeba no no adwuma na yemre na say woye nyama troka na our political usual business me ba na nyama say Ghana for ya we ka say na menaka dompe and all these jargons now they are Ghana for now 4 years abana bibia happen near that suit ABC Dabi
right in 2016 I saw you on so many platforms we did a story about UDK and NPP because akasa nyina no see ene playback videos ha Akufo-Addo ne betumi aye Mahama wontumi ye Mahama so man no Akufo-Addo ne betumi aye what has changed
Nanado ono ankasa wa change now if you want a change you change before you fetch change Nanado asem o ka kire opposition Mahama mimini message o de beba say say sia de o criticize Akufo-Addo say de me ye bi ba Mahama o wadwuma kese pa I just want convince Ghanaians enya piagra ne me regularize piagra o sa ni message ne ba kono on fa mabiem kura because emabuna ni bra abre no enya piagra asem ene Ghana mabuna hunya wo we o mu pe leadership a oba fix Ghana na Ghana me na metima fix na niam me de begu akwa ma me ka chem se weni ye de fix Ghana no ebe mo hu se fix Ghana corruption anye doma
just answer that question for me e dey na asesa because na oni Akufo-Addo also betumi aye oba ontimi anya na
wantimi anye Nanado mame ka asem cho menene nkon menene ni issue ba metane governance it me ankasa mkacha say me mahabiem
okay
that is me your mama was a friend ba me hu say wo sesa mesesa e bi aga na fodo na anti odika ase obi kura timi fran odika okwa no aba we munya ni party so odika wo Ghana me no nam na to bia na ma mi di kura na ya de na nya me ka kire wo ana better say me ne enyansafo be di awerho dan say me ne nkwasafo be sere me policy no me ne enyansafo be di awerho abom dan say me ne enyans adwumifo be sere eti say me be me giudi na say edu ba bi na da su ba bi a kire say suba na wo da di no enye de na minimu wona ana uto we journalist o frame say me mra program me mai na ade ba kire say o frame say enko akro no a me si minu ntina me no ko I will never do that because we need a journalist. It is journalism and a man no ye now for. And I will say, every a pampa minimum also. Sada na so message samagene.
Right, I was Ugo so Sinopi. We are live on Kumabu TV. We say good evening, sir. I'm watching you live. No NDC rep on your show. No NDC rep for today. Kwame Tibua. I don't know. Was say please allow UDK to fire this super incompetent NPP government. 12 billion has been lost to corruption or corrupt deals according to Auditor General's report.
Yes.
Okay. Kwame. So the Abba. I don't know. Well, sir Mike. I keep enjoying UDK. He is my man. Tell him I admire him so much. Okay, Nana. Jesse and so Eddie. I don't know. Yes, Mike, I'm watching you. UDK is telling the truth, and Ghanaians, I think, must wise up. Akufo-Addo has promised and failed. Okay, now so what's it? You try home any enkrato emra yeba. Agenda 111, the hope for Ghana under the health sector. Now, after so John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, former president, and so someone there to thank you to say elections are won. At the police station. No more NDC say Omeko court. We in free war. A member of Munya Jumanya Ghana no was say no insecurity and the beba. And then again, Wasai Ede Atuja say in fact, Potrasia na Ushimwa, Unu say o my Ghana Abaya was we and then Adrian say, Webwa Amo Mino etumi apeja. Na omwa omutumi infrastructures pa ye amanyuku NDC NPP dia and the Ghana funi na no monusem say NDC and etumi the truth or otherwise. Welcome ra eba ebedin komo.
animudia me manfo nyibintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu say abeye mremremre okay wo ba nyim easily piaw so ho adwiriw enye danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold na opese onya emwa ana se ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso ana se akontuo ene mo ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
The winner is Carol. 2 takes.
Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ye budget so Emma season 1 ye di akwada wie ye no. Say season 2 audition no e basso den. Stardom season 2 audition e basso live. We oba and now ye berima wonim nyum to. Nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo be kire obobrede a. Ba modern say on the 21st August mu ni da etoso aduonu baako ye di season 2 no so bomodin say obaba ba pick your forms no aye 150 Ghana cedis per aye 1.5 fabajo Stardom na achede e wom no de aye bebre aye Saturday a ebe ya bomodin say wonso obaba na obajo Stardom audition no ebeye butu but number the good screen is no aye 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni se sia na fe ye church mu ekwan a obefa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so e wo Kumase anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kan se wo Takrade se wo Eastern Region se wo Western Region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina bomodin se 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe and the audition no hihye so anopa no ndu pepepe 10 a.m. na ya shase ye de dimusa ekosi 4 p.m. anti ba bia wo bia tutumrikai na won so fa wadoma chede ebra na Stardom season 2 we ha ebeye butu
well our pia we say free mo why the den It's slower. we na fa kokko we na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa se no mo ma ye dena ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye digma na ma me wai so wa
ebunya yenko nkumase
mun ko nkumase
Martin Luther.
Oh, nah. It's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma yan keke ni ahwedan yo. Na bisu ya pani asoma me. Semina me pada ka. E wo kuma se akamara. Na me se ya chini. Ye nya da ka yi.
Yeah, Nansani. Nansan mo na that's why. What she me there we need problem cra. Who be dey say me free Dubai be through Ghana. Ana me na na confident. What one na no nsia do. Me je yi ni for so. E wa brede me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me Goldsmith casket shop. Ah e wo kuma se labor hire. Me call ho no ma. Ana mo sa ni me yes kan hye ye o.
You dey bin twa no. Misika ya di ma me se me papa no. Iswa abezu ya se me ambulance. Na me sam pe de be da no enka ho.
Ambulance. Any dey be down ho. Omo ye ambulance service. It any problem cra. Any na. Ye here ni say ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase. You know say kuma stay by plan o. Ye kwena mko tira o. Some Goldsmith casket shop here. Ye wona ka me bere. They say they move me na. Goldsmith casket shop. You will kuma say in front of New Town. Ye dey labor office na ben. Goldsmith casket shop ana. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign.
All right. I was saying, men sign Emma Akwaba. Ugo so Sinupi. We are live on Kumawu TV. One more Facebook and so with me. I join here. Kwa channel brand na enyam re ken kan F. My numbers in the screen I say. My numbers no for channel first bra. Na kan F. My first da. And from Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center. Our travel and logistics. And I feel so as a be and from God's Way Casket Shop. So mo boy me djumadi no atumi e dey abroad na aggregation communication team of the NPP was a security analyst na so atnase mana kwaba na kwaba boko there na me adom ye ho ye pa ya dase bana nya me aye dada yini abem
that was 1990.
Okay. Now I'm on so akra me na.
You want to have a nice shoe unless you go
to the Ventures. Is if you want to have a nice set. Ko say the set them say door so shoes on the swat pa. Telling one
about those days.
I can say the shoes on the swat
1990, 92, 93, 98, He was a very nice businessman. People who are not offshore come about.
Right. Before I be no, the ketwe bi wa man tell me ma be 3 minutes square. Ni di corruption hu nkobo. Te wan penin say e ba corruption na oboa pa make me fight. Hu ne sa.
Sana mekano in the sense say bia obia ni e kwa faso dinku ni osi hu na de. Obi wo ho obeka say obeka ni politically, obi so obeka ni generally, obi so obeka say no, I have to use my glasses.
Okay.
And sana my legs, and sana me to me hu na maka no kra wom.
Okay.
But to be fi there oyeno kwa Nana Akufo-Addo na ban or boa there. Katasese no able to meet us. Why am I saying so? There it be a sacrament. Those all court now since young
housing project.
Look at it. Huge money.
Okay.
Huge money. What why a baby am a businessman now over on my new. You can never run the country whereby the businessmen are over man wants more business uncle to the local businessmen.
Okay.
You need to partner with them. But look at the trench of the money. You beat there, this are confirmed business. Yeah, you Roger Mahama Kofa, yeah, also I confirm now what to go back in up. It's a huge money. Then you come to a point, almost young health minister. Ni sika the call for Yebanya vassals. Now, wife am what to work and was some Mexican also what to was another. It's just he's fighting corruption. He's doing very well.
The can't be fighting corruption. Boami. The Achamu, our Enfimuno. no any de egusu e koso no even no o man ni kopa
No. You can't say corruption here or the actual money here.
well but obi so beka say musumo ba ye enyunu the other na only kind and make sure say whilst I look back let me also try and stop or at least reduce me so me time of office no ye koso
say okay we are saying you whatever it is so bucket na say bucket no you should ye mo buda why dey an should be be dey obobu for me why na so say I fiasamo this bucket na sa you should go obobu
okay
until you know nya kwan so nko are you getting me
okay
iyi no nyi nana kufado ne business a or ye mo ma no ye nyina ye support ye nyina ye gitum that yes the we see all fight corruption o ye ma he na ebeka da sisi a bibi responsible well minya huni minya huni se ma hu na mata you know me make one some because me buy so na why you let logistics yes talking say ye adwuma do logistics se nda bobo ya bi kra de be buy since na
kan bobo ya
madam ye adwuma no na adwuma so ye be ye bi of the ken na mayo o mi say yes no kwasa bi aban no e bo ho modern wo corruption fighting aban de bo ho
say mas me pa cho papa say Mike am say papa ofri mu na ba asamba ko pera me de be ma na kwa aba ne say enyo ono a no ne ne te Ghana ha am so ofri mu na aba ne say ene ka say the corruption ko esi wo ene yan ka bibia kama atemaze na na ro dia wa ka hye why credit agent on be say be kan wan asem kama di ni nya be gudwa
but ebi am so hu ne so omo ye mo afomo die o e bi kra na de hu na hu so omo nya hwe no ebi so no so hu ne say we are performing.
I agree with you nanim ye fa bibi impact assessment ade am ye enya sunsu aso me se me fight corruption am I on the right path am pa corruption reduce ye what does it ye chese oba ye ABC dia apiama hu kra ba ABC dia me hu se na nado de se ni nua no kra na ya de na nya obechew na nado wo ba ye hu se o tikata asehye na police for kwantimi kokwa nkojeje wa ma Ghana na nado wo ba ye hu so tikata asehye na ko ministries agencies and departments are corruption a thing of the past na nado the people around him masa we are besu
ene wunsu
we be waje title
be wunsu
say my no for dike
we are besu
for dike
besu mama
what for dike ai what's malike esi na nado buy no and the police for what you want city
me
one city omo je no
dabi ma me cheche
omo je no e bia asizi
dabi we ma me cheche na nado say media me incorruptible
yeah
the moment abaka so you incorruptible no I was say affect ignite the whole country
okay
ebe ya ensana homa na be ya usu se bia na usu a minim age jeje runners by no cheche amanfo mu yaketa asehye no na ejada kana
okay
utu za papa wa tiesi but PDS mo jeje library 10 months
yante
honre na wanu obu
for dike
wanu obu shanfo
ma member mu kaka ai one more reference bi JJ Ron say by no
asem ka
who sem kese pa
no make corruption that be make corruption me ba tie me don't take me out of context
na over the e can send be there me buy na make 1990s business another year Kumasi ya ni yenyu aje ho papa I used to go there to buy my shoes
okay.
But here is the case I'm not a kid I'm 52 years I'm not a kid
oh good
and I don't travel outside I don't travel outside
it will have corruption
my brother when you never can't say meeting where na full plane I took one Ablocheda na full plane e Kumasi.
Okay, so the point is that
but the point is that
the fight against corruption
the point is that when we say corruption there's a perception that is the reason why police or insecurity we say suspects. Can you tell a suspect?
Okay, so wait.
We say suspect.
No, wait. I think I've sat here to say this. Say, in 2016, Omano Moko primaries, and MPP for in Ghana. 150 Ghana cities. and the delegate. Some fanfaka. These same people in 2020 were paying 4,000, 5,000 to each delegate. Some fanfaka. Within that 3 years, no. Ejuma no mo ye no nya sesika no. Ana so mo kofa free.
Oh my brother, I'm not witness to that. Memfa manyu hu sika na ale kana ho asam. No, memfa manyu hu. Mate no won framam na obi bi kare. Oh, that mean perception.
Oh, okay.
Now auditors general report.
Memfa manyu hu ni. Then I one will say politics, eh? Politics is yet to be and it's a business.
Okay.
It's a business.
The sponsorship room.
So obi botu mo aba be campaign amo. Na nipa na connect mo aka che no me da wase akeke. Any man is come on phone for car. Any man mo to so
And I
ano.
make us 2016 na
Obi kwa the car man. E ma also o jeje the car.
about 3,000. The difference we are more than maybe about 1,000% cry.
What for the game?
Menua.
Oh, cancer. Obi kwa check car. Yes, me hu ye.
Auditors general report.
The Auditor General report.
Right.
Is it in connection with the political
Right.
party?
Yeah,
Abano sitwa. Sika and you na fan nsase. Report on the aba.
Oh, listen.
Okay.
I read a story of Zoom Lion and Youth Empowerment. I read the story. But here is the case. Those stories are the suspect stories.
Hey, auditors report.
Oh my God.
Masa,
Oh my God. Auditors report.
we are 7 eka. So when you auditors report
Oh my
media.
God.
Please order your breath.
Papa no the ban na ku for one about to say.
Just one.
Where number 1 the new
Auditor General.
auditor general me
You
pato
have every right.
oh me
You
nua
have every
anya.
right to answer.
Johnson Akuyam Wasidu.
Aye.
He's an acting auditor.
Wo dey tie.
Nana say
2017 mama time na mama wo so no. Na 780 million and the new for aban heading agency.
is it 12 billion?
That neighbor
Okay.
2017 to 2019 Nana Dubai a 9 billion from Mama 780 to 9 billion.
Okay.
And now no one satisfied our for one in Nipaba where I got 12.8 billion. That's about how to work.
I know you are watching because
I have report.
where you are coming from.
I have report.
Listen,
No.
your political background. So where you are coming from, sending people and your face.
Never employer report.
And your face. And you auditor general reporter. That doesn't mean say that is the farmer.
Okay.
You have every right to go and answer.
I do agree. I do agree to that.
Yes, you have every right to go and answer. Defend yourself. Auditor general, you are senior mehuni.
The PDS.
Why you catching down?
The
Defend yourself.
PDS.
PDS, I had a ODK.
Why did you like big 10 months? You move
Why the GG Ladbe? MP before the GG Ladbe. No, don't say MP before the GG Ladbe. Any company now got GG Ladbe. Any MP before now.
I believe you know the history of the PDS.
No. I'm saying say Sabai Obia.
I
just MP now got GG.
I come from so form company. Company na GG scan.
It's not the
Oh,
MP.
Jesus Christ.
No, we have a political party and we have a private.
Okay, government.
Government.
Oh,
You can't government asem. You can't MPP asem.
Obedi ka say. Oh, Kasa was a government. Government.
Government ko na MPP ko.
And now Obia also hear the business in com.
One of them man no.
One of them man.
Oh, na say me way me sign contract the mawa. Say me sign contract the mawa.
Na me default.
Now who corner go default. I mean na many problem na. I was buy ni wo Ghana buy ni wo.
The say wa ban na the contract man. Na abaje no aya fa ho.
What did they make us say?
Wa ban Ghana abaje no aya fa ho. Ghana abaje no.
I've issued the contract to you.
I'm so continue me bias.
Right. I was
Continue me bias.
live.
Debbie.
Live on Kumawu TV. I didn't say Fabra. The question I'm asking, simple. And it's do you see this government fighting corruption?
Perfect.
Oh, sir. And I said, oh, sir, and I want to say, yeah, a boy, homody, one with me, I fight corruption in our system.
Agreement is say
well,
no federal they would have under his watch.
Well, Fabra, you share the issue of Agenda 111, the funding, and it's a big issue. NGOs on health, it really concerns say, baby, Abane say business carefree no. Because Abane through the Minister of Health, because my man will say, a government of Ghana
GOG
project.
GOG.
Yes. And NGO for the really concern said, well, if that's the case, they are who because Abane say from last year or can ebesi this year no na oboabo is kind of have a chance here for 1 year when you $100 million no this chance here this project and so no upon completion supposed to be almost $1.5 billion nti omo nya aban ni so betimi ayo what mean
me ba to ma papa na ye aban spokesperson man checha kwa be fa so ayi dabi wona wo se aban no wona kasa ma aban edi me ba dabi me ka me de tio me nua nana all na represent aban etu on che kwan a
say
okay no problem no problem obi an kasa so a
me kasa me I'm ready to talk
okay
nana ka me man ani die say
okay
me agere ni so
ebi kwa na kwa nya bia
ebi kwa na me kwa nya bia
okay nana funding GOG ska ho
yes yes
go etu on church mu
imagine na sikanyi ho sikanyi ho an kasa be kafra an ko man panyin ina onyi ni mpanyinfo ko meka de wo be ye aspiti wo da mo man no nda papa ebiasa ye we kana ebiasa ye we eta yet some radio na TV do muta ka bi the baby home pa sanya abobo ya na obafa obi a se bi wa fa yefun na wo na ko aspiti kasima anaso odukwa mu pa dem nipo na otumuto ina obi sumpo wo a onu so du baby a hospital kwa no hu bi da bi obeja ya sakwa no hu bi da ti de bi a habanduru ya na wotete kwaye mu ho na wo ye won hadu na na kufadu na ba ni mpanyifo atrase hu de debi olomwa ina ye ne ba so oba beka ho ye covid yi onsusu ye nyim se ntira covid ni so onsu abesensa amansan nyina ye kom ito de ye ya hoboa
okay
ahoboa na kufadu ne kade de ma hoboa no osefota de ye ya hospital nyipo bekokosje ayarsa ho ina kade obama Ghana ya hospital no edo wotwe awotwe
yeah
impo ibi baka ho moye oha no nyi dubi akon eno se wanye foto oye Ghana yala ya foto no waye foto a odi be hye dwumadi na ase na mani tina dwumadi na ye kudu a ye ba be hye ase na manfo obi se de na sika ne yekofa no wahe na sika ne yebenya no wahe
is it not reasonable enough because project no ase no $100 million and they say so we divide $100 million now ebet me be nsi apɛ nka yesa asiese ene say over $500 million well convincing enough enya science na bia NGOs na other Ghanaians that has bisa say sika no efi yesi government of Ghana GOG ye wo sika sa a ebet me dia ye
ohin sema hwe majumati shase adoye
okay
nipa ye won man yimu the businessmen na won man yimu the private men na won man yimu won kesempo ho adoye pro botuma kede o saban ma covid ba ya amanfo obo yi saban nya enyi so ade ho otide na o be ya hospital wo man yimu a obi botum po kede company bi o abanji dem sike kwa na fa ka ho fa ye
is that the government direction
no that is not the government direction but oba infrastructure ba another mutone ba obo mayala.
Well, and hold on, I will allow you to continue. Enra, if we start Stephen Amwa on this same question, the answer he gave me, I wasn't convinced. I've listened to the government spokespersons and NPP communicators for debate issues here. Nobody is telling us exactly why we think so. So exactly where are we going to get the funding from?
That is my brother. Sikasam na lebi say.
Yes.
Sisiala. Apan na twesika o te be hye dwumedi na ase.
Okay.
Nti o manti na o ma aban hye dwumedi na ase mu yenko ye anyim. Na amafu won na machi wo bi se de na sika ba ne ezibotuma awie dem adwuma. Adwuma na afi ne ye be ase. Na meti ya make kire wi the covid ye oba yi. Hwe na nanum a wo man yi mu mo tin ba wo boy. Hwe nipa businessman ye go di kenala ti we kwa no covid yi ba na yem hihye ayem hihye wono. Nti o ma onakasa kwa no obo nipa bi wo ne mante mo ate. Eti ma say o ma nankasa yi sika ti bo nipa bi no. Nti aboyle ye dem adwuma ya. Na sa ban hye adwumadi na se mo lokokra na. Amafo do ye kwa wo be ye. Ghana fo wo a won se mi ye kwa no wo be ye. Papa do obi wo wa ni maami wo ekuro kakrabam. Ne papa wo ekuro kakrabam. Nti sa hospice ni kwa no ko wa. Baye na hohoahoa, baye na nyije. De se ne papa nta po wa. Obotu mo nya be dia asa no ho ye ba. ti ese dwumadini kwado na sanyame aye madoma ma do motu ma boa de won di no so fo mo dwumadini bi
nana can I say abana nkasa no won sha de nimba bi pote pa obenya ska fidi
e e kan da ma na anka anyi yanzu ni ye sense yin de na ya baba defend the party no wo radio na television no da ma ye shase da aye ye gudu aye na so sale pa ni mo asem ye paga anka bia na finance minister
ye busa wo mu nyina obi an se da emman
ni special assistant another ni spokesperson finance minister. This is a government business and there were party issues and then a government business. It's my say
you know
so no I'm saying say you may be any koswa say me kase me dey reference me nya penity yi adoye be no nya ya na minimum enti se nya mi odom na se hospital se me koso wo mantem a se nya president akan a wodi nka twesika wodi be ye enti akoso no kwa na adoye amanfo kwa de won jigye ne wadoye be ye bi aka
sama mon shase barely a year sama de da so da hora mon shase and no one example obi abetimi
sama de na kan 88 no
ai
sama de mudi ka got sword last year
what the back
say mobile sama is not part of the 88 western region you know Ahanta West
me say enura uma mention say oh enura bia
wait okay sama is na no sama ni Ahanta
na nka 88 no
okay
ba say so mo dia be shem so mo ya afra
let me tell you something she emu omanya ye wo mi say mu the president nenyi so adu no opedo ote ye ma oman no okoye yi no nyame ne da na se o na hwe ansa na ibenya asase kra no no one sama menua ipenyi tie onyim the business ansa na benya asase na your business o do kra no onya sam kakraba
na ya trawo
aban beba aban so
na ya trawo
na e choro wada roma aban so obenya asase na wa ye dwumadi no owo de etutu nyama ni nyina ye wie ntafi na nyame adom ya tutu nyama ni nyina wie na nakufo ado na aban wa tutu nyama ni nyina wie ntama ne ye bepeja aspect necessity.
Okay. Now let me ask this question. It may sound unreasonable to some people.
To some people?
Yes.
Not me.
Our penny eba wankra. Okay, say sika ye de ba be inland port na you ready. Ebisine. Project na shase. Wankra. This one there. Our penny ka sika ye de be here no, it means that funding has been secured. This one less than 10% funding and is secure. How sure are we as Ghanaians say?
Hospital na say my yelke. Hwe, madam. Ai MPP fu yenye adanko dada biyo.
Okay.
Yenye dam. Since la make dey. Yenye adanko dada be. Asem no onye dwumedai osede ye no ye be ye. Enti nka monka tu hu yem. Na mompa ye ntachi. Hwe, emra ye wura John Mahama meka dey na ye mi panyi odike. De bia no bom ose okwaje $260 million. And I was here. Them in bridge no war a second one. I was from Dubai.
Second touching.
What? The Nakufa do $275 million. Or the entertainment I hear Wamayimu. Or the entertainment in Coco Planai, a Wamayimu. It's MPP, you can't yet.
Then.
MPP, you can't yet.
Or there.
They can't throw that. Somebody touch a dollar conditions here.
Okay.
And the year a Tetepashi. And now about a Pokwase. Nevia na ko.
Takradiana.
Be a good.
Takradi.
Be a good or a no Accra.
Okay.
It's my say.
I'm going to Takradi.
A horse on Yamiatum will be you. Yamiatum will be MPP, you can't.
Okay, Mirasi. Right, I was here, Augusto RSCP. Don't get me wrong. I do ask questions, sir. What if you call us Obisa? I was say it me who says, can you free? Because I've always been saying, free SHS no. Say, bye for me now, no. Ejina say, it do a bit of Hana is Kasem. Because a business can free pano, you said that in him. Now, see hospitals now, what war Elembele, Ebwa pa, what war Hohoi, Ebwa pa. Bibiana Biano, so Tikumasa Kwana Ibana Datibi, we came over, I'm going to do me make me with her. ɛyɛ now so we have to ask say enkoye nano de ni bia na okay
abusuafo baabi a Nana Akufo-Addo dia edo na ho toro ene say de di kan no hospitals here e kan wasem o promise 2019 sorry 2020
April
Emma timeline
yes
1 year abesene ko eno mu na okọ this was kobo for more trade maso say akwa crash me no a ede oye ni abawo no trade abusuafo munti asem yina munti ni ye je wo nyina ne say Ghana debt to GDP akoduru say
77
yes and our World Bank project is by the close of the year na ko 83%. Oh my Jesus Christ. 1.5 billion estimated value no. Say ko ka debt to GDP no on baby abekwa kodu. Ye betwa mu 90%. Na ade ye me yakura wo ho say obia Nana Akufo-Addo be hand over amano no. Say wonye street smart. That is a movie here. A hopa na Misuma or my Ghana.
Should MPP win again?
Dabi,
whoever comes now. Okay.
Sure. Hospitals na na do so besi no. Oni blueprint. Our MPP manifesto. But we need strategic implementation plan. To odanya na no so nkofo ye de do. Mame fa so nkobo form. Why am I saying this? Stabilization fund. Ghana infrastructure fund.
Yeah.
VAT 2.5%. Ebi ne tekotum. To twaya ma every area could do 100 million.
Okay.
And when you see money. Again na 111. Emu 6. Regional hospital. It would take 6 in if you ma the akano. We divide them $100 million now. Hospital bia receive money in $1 million. What did the channel say? The now I say, some cocketa. Naya, Yatima, Yakra, baby or babyano. Yeah, the upper trust will be then on the next government. What did the message channel say?
Oh, but so am I 18 months?
Maybe if that bonus, could you punk say 12 months?
That was before Gabono. On a press conference. I know I say 12 months.
Me cry Adana Eduardo. Dear Bechamo Macon.
Yeah.
Many the panel to say.
Yeah, only a compromise.
I don't say 12 months.
Okay.
A minister of information. Every president Rebecca said was say 18 months. All conflicting presentation.
But I bet the president the DRC minister.
Maybe no, a career information minister. Don't know about Montini every president room. Ọ̀run na di president ẹnu ma sẹ́mbà abọ̀ntẹ́rẹ́.
Ẹnu wọn pẹ̀lú náà sábẹ́ ká ṣe 18.
Ẹtì that is wọ́n mi ẹnu kò mú ní ẹnẹ́ strategic implementation strategy. Kàwé nkàwé náà wé nkàwé on the same project. Abòkyerẹ́ àkàbàkó resign. Mi kyerẹ́ Ghanafoɔ baabi a yẹ keka kọ. Fàyẹ̀ no kọ́tọ́ nkyɛn. Ọ̀túnfọ̀ tí wọ́n atẹ́sí ẹ̀hún sẹ́ Nana Akufo-Addo amanfoɔ keka abɔnten sɛ ɔkɔ project wọn a wɔnyɛ. Onya no kwafo ma Ghana fo it was no be represent what as mo guy wo say ene na mfamam say Ghana fo nyi uni na project we dey ya giudi ni meboa so obomochiche finsu ase be ka so de temawu a ekinye nim papa oyin no be ka sa no wa me ka sa wo mani pemu o ti kokko so na suma no say ye Ghana fo nyi na na do ni fa no koto nchen minua Ghana ya bobo sama ya pem
we yan kwaje besia o
tie me ba o sama ya purely economic issues o se so fola inteje num de adequate ache o man pagi ku for the chance o man pagi me se bae do ma ma bae Nana Akufo-Addo aba e ko still enwe GOG na so the basic hospital so no enubia etime chow scenario GOG fund ekoye adwuma Upon my name to Obi Busa say massa. A kwambe de befa so onye sky. What as mo kan? O say gina ye to e be tua so. The Ghana folk tua to de aye be.
Eto no nso no engosi afiewe ye de fufuro bi anya mai. Ana de ye no nso no. Eno
ana okay COVID fund. 1% ye tua muska kwa ye tua hospitals no COVID fund 1% our budget we cut tax or the buy no.
Okay.
And who's kwa money? Just way from Mama footwear boy.
Ghana infrastructure.
Yes, it's COVID fund 1% kwa wamodini.
Kona se ebenya bi dia.
Me ba o nyabutre mame. Oh, me church so I want to educate my people. Ni nya yam fa ya mra so. It hospitals no. First quarter media budget no. No muso ma clue saying any they call sa project no. Because media review no and go so indicate say COVID fund our clue say eti ye dey no call infrastructure on the health facilities.
Okay.
Right, ya ante wansem. Million $1.5 billion na civil society organizations are estimating the right figure. Because $17 million per one.
16.88.
Almost 17.
Okay. Yeah,
times 88. Ebema figure no. Now we have some bakusu bia yenko. Ya dwene nko so. Shama de a district hospital.
Yeah.
A 100-seater bed.
Yeah.
To say the way you na by a normal value 32 million euros. What the call dollar $41 million. Now then I've read the nationwide about $17 million.
Ebi ana 100 bed capacity there. Ne money be equipment e be gumu no e was ama no ye special.
Chairman
per the figure.
Anya per tie. Ni na a district. Se shama de ne ye regional there and come no ya adwene.
Okay.
But once ni na a district no, ni na the same level.
Okay. This can be as was as be.
Awurade Yesu Kristo. All inconsistencies. Na do wonya no kwafo. Na what the Ghana for be di agro. But papa, you can fool some people and get what you want. But you lose so many people lifetime. Na do say the nimo nyamo na Ghana for woman no. Na do be di 2 days okumasia. Aso o ma. Na do kanena no opposition oba adweso. Ana na nkofo de ntoma kwose se form. Sanana do nipa to no hia no. Omo ye truthful to him a cause omo ka chance na your credibility is at stake. Ama otumfo aba bonta be ka cho say your credibility is at stake. Ede be biem na yenka. Ye ne ayeka say ede be biem na yenka. Oti kokko so aka cho say Ghana for new ni. And what else do you want me to say? And Nana I representing what the people are saying on the street.
Nana,
Yes, sir.
Credibility, we know.
I don't believe it.
What was says the euphoria, a choir amount for fast in a certain region. And then another son, you and I, ever just to say a swat, and I be a COVID-19 now. One I say.
So I minya odikere kan minjin tum ko pade hey odikere kan sen bi kra di shotum fo na no otum fo se
Masa
asemo otum fo okay no na representative bakan no say e ya te sem and ya te ye on ka so otum fo se o se ate sem na ya te ye and now ka say nana akufo do ne credibility is gone. It's never true. Here is the case when you are in the opposition. You will get a lot of people. And a former government but you are in the opposition now. The party machine. What you know what I watch you, what you're doing them. Now, in your better brother, or you're gonna funina. So a opposition say Yamado or you're gonna funina. It's an American say. Set my say. It is a young body cake there. Nana Akufo-Addo, the credibility is gone. That is never true.
Me was samba akoka.
Na se ni a oko general Otumfo nem no. O say Otumfo afro on social media. Ghana for do no ano enyi wundi. Say obetimi aye. Na me judi.
Yes,
so obetimi aye. Enti ye na efa judi. Before that we use that word no kwa no aka say the word run there. Say me di kan catch order. Ebrebi atwa mu no. Me say the word run ye ho na abepe. Edin and abeji into the year of duty with that statement no about challenge mo to the lowest level say can be as or some year and because me say mo me anye 88 no within 18 months no mo go to from na be fere pa because what can say mo be am was mo nyini mudi we na do that integrity now on the line.
Asama ye votu for okay chere na do de nana bia every bia re yin o bia se no bio enti mo ti ye adwuma na magana na Ghana fu nyina wo mu da ye adwuma magana adwuma ni su na nana gudu ni
yes ye hunu
it's a political lens
me
it's a political lens
okay
enti say odike ye ja Ghana crowd modike for even 1 week don't Ghana 1 week go. If it's 7 years when you're back, not the names as hard here. Oh, because I'm not the names as hard here.
Okay. Are you putting words into my mouth? No, Debbie. It is an indictment on my.
It's not indictment.
Hold on. How?
Yes! On to me yet, say, or the Keba, or the mathematics na. And you found that the Keba say, hospital is on one, and go back for Sikawa, and on the
but Obisa so no uncle be san.
And because I'll come here, on Chillis and calling what take on your swat, I can scan over the hand on the air. Then I go for to say, Sikan be a midibaya Jumano. Niaka be a Ghana for me here on 5 Banama Jumano.
That be the American say, we mean it. If it is a Fagana to mammy, I don't go near the mamma, me would have been a catcher. I go, would become a 1 year timeline. Jama, a some night general would become a 1 year timeline. I'm a 1 year best slain. Why young worry? Or catcher say $1 billion and I acquired Jeffrey IMF from yet the BBC hospitals.
Okay.
I'm taking him by his own words. So said, yeah, South COVID is calculated on come once and infrastructure fund. I don't know some call. I only be an Akufo-Addo, the inconsistencies in the war.
Okay, what's the infrastructure? That is the word infrastructure fund.
Yes.
Now, hospital and infrastructure.
What does it? $1 billion.
Sorry, IMF no. Yeah, the BBC hospitals.
Yes.
So they better beat me as strengthen health
for the
system.
Or say, Mabin Kotuno. Or say COVID ya exposed Ghana. I mean, I want to say there was so huge deficit in our infrastructure, health infrastructure. 400 million of the his Canada free IMF no will be year mark for district hospitals. And with the 88 district hospitals. I'm for Sana, and if we could have Mamma, then I can also argument in the mind. So come in and Akufo-Addo come make call trade no. Medical address it. The Akawuramuno and Sakwalam the media account.
Okay.
Right.
We say I'm watching you live, sir. Keep doing the good work for Mother Ghana and my special regards to your panelists. Okay, Ebenezer Nyamiche. Ewo Amstead, Apiaminka University, future SRC president. Eben, Yana say, we say, good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying the show. Fantastic arguments between Odike and the MPP man. Masresa, okay. We say, I'm watching you live, sir. Okay, I think the same, we know the Abaha. Good evening, sir. The moment I heard Agenda 111, the biggest hospital in Ghana ever. So what about their Agenda 88? Now, and also akosi sen. Nkranda South Hospital, Shama District Hospital, with pictures below bed land. What about uncompleted ones left by JDM administration? Formina Hospital, Afari, Tepa, Bekwai, Kumawu, and Sewua Hospital. Shortcutting, January 4. We are watching. Greetings to His Excellency Odike. We, from incoming NDC youth organizer, and Kobia Hene Akwesi Wampong, Adansi Akrofrom Obuase, and Kobia Hene, and therefore, please, Nana Ado, stop lying to Ghanaians. We are tired of you by Mustafa Rifukumase and Ode Abba. I'm Enoch from Achuma Trebum in the Ashanti region. Nana Ado and the NPP party is taking Ghanaians for granted. He is now popularly known as Mr. Shortcutting. The NPP man should sit down and listen to the king's voice again before saying anything. They should try and fix the road from Ushimase to Achuma Trebum before 2024. The NPP man should speak the truth because we Ghanaians remember Nanado saying, Yatisikaso, Nanso Ekom Edie. Why all this borrowing? Good evening, Sir Mike. I keep saying you are good because of the kind of questions you ask. You see, the NPP man is unable to answer your questions. God and you have exposed the NPP. Hey, but you. Well, you enjoy Tiawa Emra, Yaba, Yaba to us.
I'm also ready for animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da oda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afa ne kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afa na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ban ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hono say ebeye mremremre okay wo ba nyim easily piaw so ho adwuru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na o haw eda wo no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na hwehwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
The winner is Carrie. 1, 2, 3.
Stardom. Kumawood Kumawood TV reality show a baso Emma Ghana nyina ye budget so Emma season 1 ye di akoda wie no say season 2 audition no e baso den Stardom season 2 audition e baso live we your ba ana we berima wonim nyum to Nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo be kire obobrede a bamodin ase on the 21st August mu ne da etoso aduonu baako ye di season 2 no ehye so bamodin ase wo beba be pick your forms no eye 150 Ghana cedis per eye 1.5 fabeje o Stardom na achede wo mu no de eye bebre eye Saturday a ebe ya bamodin a se wonso wo beba na obeje o Stardom audition no ebeye butu but number the good screen is no eye 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni sesia na fa ye church mu ekwan a obefa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so e wo Kumase anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kan se wo Takrade se wo Eastern region se wo Western region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina omodin ase 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe and the audition no ehye so anopa no ndu pepepe eye 10 am na ya shase ye de dimusa ekosi 4 pm anti babia wo bia tutumrikai na won so fa wadoma chede ebra na Stardom season 2 we ha ebeye butu
well all pia we say film why the den nti be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo aye dena ma menti wo de we na we yere na mfa nkonko ye digma na ma me wai slower
ebusa yenko Kumase
na mo ko Kumase
Martin Luther
Oh, nah. It's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo na busu afani asoma me semina me pada do Kumase afamara na me say chini yenya daka yi
Nansani mo na mo that's why wo shia me we need problem cra wo beje di say me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na na kwabedantwi wo to na nanom ansia do ni eje yi ni bo me so e wa brede me ni kapre odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop ah e wo Kumase labor hire me ko ho no ma ana mo sa ni me yes kan hye yo
wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me famra no ni so abezu ye se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka
ambulance any de be down omu ye ambulance service into any problem cra any na ye here ni say ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say Kumase stay by plan no ye kwena mo ko kire wo some Ghostway casket shop ye wona ka me bere te say ye mo hu ni na Ghostway casket shop ye wo Kumase in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Ghostway casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and quality.
I was here sign Emma Pakwaba Ugoso RS3 live on Kumawood TV. I just say Fabra. Nyame eya dom na Yesu amba. Me mende be Stardom audition no ebaso. Stardom season 2 audition no ebaso. At the premises of Kumawood Television. Ahojo Atenga Junction ene yewo. One say obefaka do Atenga Junction I say me call Kumawood TV and I say me call awu and now the Zero Guest House and one no oba na the nyame de adum mu no wa be na de akere e fanko ade a say season 1 na 100 million 10,000 Ghana cedis e de amount na asama recording contracts a enya agro modern na e fam ho ehim well Mr. Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president, leader of the NDC, 2016, no president, 2020, now 2016, 2017, we lose elections, 2020, thank you to. You say, if you must say, but before bank one, no news idea. Yes, to cry, no, say, do no, or some yareno, but I follow. I couldn't answer that question. John Dramani Mahama, or answer that echo. And say, be brave and waka. or say about 2020 no sorry 2024 no NDC and go court to view police station wa no wini na declare omo na no announce me na obi the president we no free wa say yaka amamu a aba aban aba the infrastructure pa John Dramani Mahama ne NDC amamu no on pa no infrastructure ese aban bia e o my Ghana ini se mu nkomo odi se fabra na nyamra kan emfa ema amisha se o dike Mapanda Mahama say aban infrastructure NDC amamu ko no o ma yese aban bia abaso e o Ghana obi so be ka say NDC so na achewu ana the Fourth Republic wa no ana say we impose free rolling say ba 27 ana nje omo na ache pa wo so the comparison no ko ana or dey ba no does it hold?
Not at all. Okay. Yura Mahama, he's still working in his in the previous mistakes, you know. Okay. And one muna onam. Na usha Yura Mahama. Onya enya free or how a man ko position no say unrealized ye Ghana infrastructure if free we Kwame Nkrumah penso be nyina no aban bia ba obeye bi okay me mentor aban wa ya de o Ghana pa ama me e aka champion no sojani but Dansuma estate Chapatre estate the whole Ghana o keka de beche estate a champion di gu kroma afa border Kumasa no plan assembly plant the nkura wo me operation video yourself yesu sano na export to aburu ne mo ko outside cotton yesu sano under IK a champion cargo card books a best school na chocolate any bibia kan crayon na just ya tanya mama mo what mu say enyama lemback dey friend lemback ebobobo na dia ko edile mu say MPP ni NDC edwe enum ene buy na school and take bus mi show sar masre yesu swaru na o sabases e man temu be bia na trotro ni krom na ma traffic ba trotro ba ko e mu nipa trotro 20 mu nipa ko o sabako basim edile the street ni a picking trotro 20 every ekwa ni mu na ho bi ko mad makase na base ko mampontre ehwa be bo kwa na base 7 and the kokuru ba ko so e bonsa ho o ti ase ya yesu so e ba no na Mercedes Benz 220 super any one in na taxi and abobo ya na wo Yewura Mahama o se o ba be de e ba be mu regularization Piagra will be a tra Mercedes Benz muda. And on to him infrastructure any day. I don't understand him. School house so zero. All my not school that will school. Nobody see that will school. And then I'm Ghana for you know. MPP and this woman lose touch to the realities on the ground. Ghana number 1. Adia here. I systems, institutions are a year to me year. Seven Madagana devoid of partisan connotations. Okay. MPP ba power omunkrofo kwa no ma joma na ejapade nyina afa na mo amaka nyina mo nka o ma ne ho NDC ba no ma joma na ma ejapade nyina afa na mo amaka mo nka o ma ne ho. Now how can we develop the country by this divided front? It is totally impossible. Say a bit me develop Ghana wabra you want this sharp divided front. We cannot. It's Yewura Mahama. Ye infrastructure Ghana enu kwa Ghana for we to aba o. Enipa o mo de infrastructure to aba no e kakra bi.
But on reality say enka Ghana for mo infrastructure to aba no e hwe a wona so tena se ya hwe NDC na MPP a. Obaje Mahama de na tumu say de o kan ye no kre. Ana say bia hu say no kre. I don't feel the infrastructure more can once. Both for MPP and NDC because there's nothing new in Ghana. Kumasi Bibiani has the whole Ashanti region government buildings yes
And then we na individuals necessary yeah that team. If you common access road, they call today, go to the new site. Obi anam futum. Kuma say again asesa. I'm for no bet make picture near Buche yepe. Ewa ha, yes about with the buy intino. Wabaye super wonders be din see. ABCD se plan for akra be kuma say. Na edi eba form. Na hwe form a ube suama. Me say they want me call Hong Kong. Wa me call Hong Kong that. Na play no and now so say I can 10-15 minutes na you see form. Me too many. Hey, I say on crack toy e dan na ehhehhe no. Skyscrapers no. After many su bri me. Me nan kokomu wo so na play ni ba form na me form na omo airport ehhepum. After me say play ko bapum se gba de ewu. Ba ye me na say ya nwon yes form. Bua kromu no. Nti be form ba. Ada on ko ba ku kura ba ku se bi ni kumase ya. One se bi ni kumase ya. MPP ni ndi sunim. O ma dan Ghana for se nkurase fo bi a yenya hu bibi ada. Eto ma bi o se be e be kire bi a no. Awo se agitum. Semas Gambia me call Gambia infrastructure konisfa but Gambia sanitation who's a tourism corp and number one income and number one now be just say Gambia kure British Airways chata double decker abrofuma 700 no ma be park air ba tourism o Gambia na Ghana ye ni bisa Ghana ye nya pan office na say here obi ama we dey every week so mo ko ba ni na wunim mehunade bi woto kokokora ehedem a nkonwa ho wo ba ye se wo a watras no wadidi tomatoes ni mako nyina wo dem on this scale anyway tomato bi chese me say na Ghana di ye ba no fo de ba no mo di na ma wa husema wo ukọ Gambia high court judges in secondary school e wa di chefo nyina ye Ghana fo nkwa yeah, technocrats na chichiri kuro but the way decency wo kuro I was shocked. Eti yewa mama o government behavior nkwa akra no na e bo Ghana for e bia na Kufuado ama yeti hu uzara na do e wo opposition no complain said o mama say we have family and friends government if you may recall na Kufuado ba ye no ade adom mama de mo no so bo no eno aso no so ye we simaya kwan we simaya kania we simaya say masa e breni sa e ka me de mama ni policies ene mo be no Ghana na do de be toho na me the global one atoho na ya hwe be bia the development knowledge gap I die in Malaysia me yastic me yesusu do bia Korea Singapore, Malaysia, women you know munya independent every kro na mu. Eti say the brand tu na ya emene no, ye tu fie ba kono ya woyen. Okay. Na me se me yen susu ya. Me mfa susu abrante we abrabo. Na akoya bia wanya 8 years. Ana me kwaka chen say me de mabrabo. Better than akola no. MPP ni ndi sanu ma ya Ghana. Wo ma bi letra Ghana akodu level bi say wo ma nu efifiri se a wo mu koja ye no. Ye na mi da kwa say ye close to that knowledge gap no ye de MPP ba obey say yes be say aya de we say be say wo many myopic thinkers ye leaders not here it is I don't get it so obi ani ni so for abra to le de ho okay I was there after to time according to woni so de hunu pa na mo opese ko Dubai ko ye adwuma de ska be fie dia me can for our travel and logistics and ede amawo our travel and logistics and I make can for ede amawo so mo de ha na ebra so be to kwa ko Dubai nko ade a o mo say oba mo be ko adwuma wo ho mo ma bia da kama na afi so what penya skara bo afie 0552373027 0552373027 Malam Muhammad Spiritual Aba Center o ko wati bi escafo amante Malam ese yan kan chiro se nei akwanya naba e de ama so how ne amane na wokomu
awo ho ayɛ den adwuma asɛm ho ayɛ den yare ɛyɛ twerɛ ɛdam ɛne yare ahodoɔ ɛna ɛha wa malam sɛ daroma bra na ontumi ɛmɔ malam Mohammed ɛsɛ ne numbers no ɛyɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 ofre malam obaje oso na afi no otimi ene wadi komo eda bia eye eda aduada ekosi ada malam ye adwuma koto no nkwara eboa na otimi ahweko otibie bodum kokko na watu aso afaka enwa akora o yira kwaya we see odima Liberty FM Unity FM afi ko ha amo ebetimi ahwewo Godsway Casket Shop say ini fadaka no manfo ibi pa ba do na nya papa ebo no so wo so pa ebusu pani a wanya yie a woni sika no e mo nim wase e wo fa asefo anim omade an ebra na kache 1 week na am no aba no an hyeye ode be ma wo ma de yie ni na wie o ma sound systems a obe yusu o ma nkonwa o ma canopies ambulance ade fu no betum ode free mortuary ade ko fie sa de akọ cemetery ni na ode be ma wo wie yie ni na de sika no abato ba bia ko fa free ye we umpe we na apede he eyi e bo be sama de ayi nyu se ho de na se ye pa nkoba nko bi nko tetew ko fa esi eyi bra da bi wase bra na otimi mo kuma se no wo be be wo ga na bi anso invite no a wo de ebe bra 0243737457 0243737457 na staff labor run about ho na obehu Godsway Casket Shop say ono so owo right we say good evening sir Mike please I like Odike. Please add the NPP man's time to Odike to educate us more. I like his analysis. Okay. What am I next time? Now Udi to me about. We see Odike be real. Odike be real. Okay. And also the other about and first no you know is that Odike and there. I said why did the NDC didn't complete the hospitals in 8 years? Leave Nana Addo alone. Okay, honestly, the other no. Omaine Nana Kofi Amankwa, a founder and executive director at the New Patriotic Party Youth Organization. Now, I say NDC and Honorable Odike Party is notorious for opposition, for opposing anything of national interest, but the evil spirit will be Nana. We, the NPP, will do everything possible to complete the 111 hospitals in the interest of the state.
Thank you.
We remain focused and not bothered by the NDC and Mr. Odike's party. They never want anything good for Ghana. Good evening, Sir Mike. Good evening, Mr. Odike and the NPP communicator. Okay, that I see. Omo Ajo. So, we say, Sir Mike, good evening. In fact, may you live long. Okay, right. Message. I'm purpose. Jadi buat baso. Menya dam pesa. Nanti mami mau nentra. Pasti. Odate. Like okay. We say Odike, I like you too much. God bless you and your family. NPP government can never compare themselves to NDC government in terms of infrastructure. NPP goodbye by 2024. NDC will be welcome in 2024. Derry Timothy Edifriwa Ena Wade Abba. I'm NPP, but today Odike win my heart, as I won't vote for NPP or NDC view. Okay, and also the other Abba and Nana.
Yes, sir.
Me too. Me do message in the here. But I'm from back in kind.
My man and I. So 1 minute. Me tinti. My tinti won't be. Nanka yura mama nanko so specific. Because infrastructure, your agricultural infrastructure.
Okay.
Your educational infrastructure.
Okay. We're generalizing in
aha.
I don't say young compare.
Young compare there.
Young contract.
Agric sector. Mechanized farming be no. If you are seeing now move away.
O say the omo na ye no so say the aban bia ye.
Anya no ne kan.
Okay.
On fan tutu wiase ho.
Okay.
Yastic ne ye. Wiase na ye wo mu no. Di amanfofo aya amoma ko manim.
Okay.
Ano na ye petie. Se me bae na de se ka na do ma me ya jai.
On ko na o. Nana. Mintio.
Sir.
Good.
Hwe. Ye Rajo Muhammad. Also by no wa be ye infrastructures ma MPP yen ye bi.
Enye ono nko o say NDC aban no.
NDC aban.
Aye.
Mini infrastructures na wan yi. Nanka or Casa wire infrastructures. Now what train baby infrastructures?
And I'm going to
They should tell you minute how country say, whoa, ye ain't like okay. And the infrastructure.
Who are those markets?
Many can ye Bema or mine 18 years. Now, a business say, ye can see ye to or mine ye. A business here, ye can say, oh, ye go ye nimutia. Near the can ya pomodine. I was here pomodine or equay. A business here, ye can say, be near penity, I'll say. So, who share your course for Agrica? Compare this to what it be. Agric minister, the Juma Waye, Fabiani upon my yimu. Hey, Minister Baye, what can one say? Mammy can be the outcome. Baby, what can one say? What do we have? Agric minister Baye, Juma, I cost woman with the Obery. What I say? And this you are a young go to Muso. You know, can you now? Everybody, you know, can you see? And can you see why? It now you say yes. Not to be trained a comment in the crowd, not to be trained on the BD. Me what can what?
What was that question? Ghana, yet to the chair, the beer. Well, now, and I'm not for criteria.
I'll say 2024. You're too about. On now, I say Supreme Court, I can't say when a mini. Now, 2012
was it elections are won at the polling station?
2012, you're too about. I call Supreme Court, I demand 1 day. Now, Fed was here to about 2024. Now, on Tramon Supreme Court to make a trend say, when they win it. You can't say, a year because Supreme Court, we can't afford to about nothing you want winning, no winning.
Is it not true that elections are one of
the all cash and Mebuna Binim? Not winning, Mebuna Binim, or person can some be some say, you winning you, and Supreme Court, and Jeffrey and some. As I was going to say, I had your Polo to Mebuna and Mebuno. Now, Minia. Oh yeah, man, what will be brave? At least I want thing. The Mebuni be brave. Almost second a Japanese. And this is for Mebuno. Yami a door ye security for the power homewading. Yami a door ye any security for and the power homewading. Na Kabia, I said, see you again, and I can never see no. I can be a young baby. I never. And the next day, also thank you to. Or this president testing for man. All cases you may be a only woman, no, echo yeno, and now I'm sorry, say, Uncle, thank you, to. Oh, you didn't want to be a cat. So, no, to the party, and on your Uncle, thank you, to. It is Uncle, thank you, to her. You didn't shaker. No, on cast and pa, and yes, on the sun, and a moment you move. On cast and maybe not be million, can't afford ye. You are your mamma, baby, assemblyman. Or free or the deputy minister, or my MP. Obedi MP by 3 times. Ebedi deputy minister. Ebedi minister. Ebedi vice president. I didn't see that story, you know, your president. And then you know you can obey him.
And that's my partner, what the moment.
And then you, and that's my partner. At my partner, or I see the course and confirm one Ghana. You better be near the problem and I got Nina Sikarishi yet. And they are
the message Biabaha. Or say, Mike, please ask the MPP man to talk about the infrastructure. Can he compare NDC's infrastructure drive as to the NPP in Ashanti region alone?
Yeah. Say, okay, say, infrastructure, and who wants my yak? Yen opening the Sunday by no one some yak, ye can't say, ma, ye can't general, and then you pop ya the banana, ye answer.
But they are discussing on Muhammad, the infrastructure. Ashanti region. Or the M1. One, if you are not having a Ashanti region, was infrastructure drive. Who bet me compare NDC to MPP in Ashanti region?
Oh, why not? Why not? Eh, be another baby, or no near Ashanti region. So Ashanti region, and Kayan and Namuko, even school, sir. Yes, see, a dying school, a dying, yes, see, more many more. And even near Can Woodham, near what your mamma, ye can Woodham, cry nearby, yet to us, every year can say, the hospital. Many a penny to ye. You got your mamma Mokono, not a woman and a jam. MPP, ye buy any Atuasua, ye who say a Ghana, a home fasua, a Yama Ghana, and Yatuasu, say we are hospital. Obekono, ye Jomujan and Jamu, MPP buy any Yatuasu, and what's in the head to my MPP, I am obeying you. Care to my MPP, I am obeying you. It's a master say, Adoruma, my NDC, and fan compare MPP kura. When it comes to infrastructure, MPP yeba yakoyenim yeye juma magana.
But I can be so mammy now.
Na minia. I asema ye kai na no. Aya na ye kase. Bia na Malaysia ko manim se Ghana. Ampa ebia na we country we akonanim na country we akonanim. Ohene ba. Eye won modern body won hihye ya. Empanifo de bi ye to wa ebi mu beto aso. By Ghana MPP ye ba ya ban mu. Obi adim Ghana. Ye wura kufo beji aban no wo eye 2000. And no be a who so ampa. You rock for to be your mind Ghana, ever dream pepe so be. What am I saying? As I said, Ghana, the year who baby and fefa. The year who baby and fefa. Say, you rock for people buy a car. Like a new a free maternity care.
Maternal health care.
Near him. You won't be that. Say, you rock for my ya. Say, you are a cake, say, Caneno, na osa. And yampa. You rock for my Yokofa, Metro. Mass Dibai. And you who say you're quite him. Sagana, you to be quiet.
Metro Mass, intercity.
David, now where's this your home?
Meba. Purpose for Metro Mass, I say,
okay.
I was sending them, Meba, with a team.
Agreed.
Metro Mass, I was sending them Temwa.
Okay.
Adding them the suburbs.
But at least I'm
Meba. So 2 free a cop was here. And yet, Metro Mass, you.
Okay.
And you Metro Mass.
Okay. Me too.
You come Metro. Kumasi Metro. Meba, Jabio. More you should touch your reality.
No. Oh, my be a wash.
Okay.
I be a no. Oh, Bobby San, how does show mine?
Okay.
What you say? But see, American Bobby San, UK Bobby San, Germany Bobby San, Obia Bobby San. Now, way back, I had a comparison. Oh, my be what? I'm a ball. Bissian, I'm a ball for 300 years. Ghana fed you in fear saying. Nancy, the papa for be no money at the old baby or my name.
That statement is not good.
Oh, Minion.
If I want for no shit.
A champion by a circle for
that statement for me.
A champion. I never champion by a kufa.
It's a mirror, yeah, Nana Kufa to buy ye. A Juma Wabayan, Yenano, yes. Nan can be an anama, and can be a no minor to know. Nan can be an
Master Planner Kintampo or say ex-President Mahama is not doing any thank you tour. His speeches shows that Agenda 111 has forced him to start campaigning for 2024 elections. We say, I'm reading messages now. We say, I like Odike too much. If you go to Algeria, you see quality infrastructure. KB Edifri Abba.
Yes, thank you.
Teacher Kujo Tepanyina so as President John Dramani Mahama says Agenda 111 project would not be completed before the NPP administration leaves office. He seems to be so sure of his party winning the next elections. Well, his dreams are high, but let's bet him he will lose again in 2024. Okay, and also the Abba, I don't know. We say NPP has disappointed us. NPP has disappointed us. God really, Ghana really hot now. Greetings to my dad. I'm Nana Yao from Pankrono. Nana Yao, Yana si. We so Farouk Tema was it the not possible and permissive behavior of the NDC must stop. But for the good spirited leadership of the NPP, Ghana would have still been searching for oil in commercial quantity. Ghana would have still been without free SHS, 1D, 1F, health insurance, and so on and so on. I say the NDC keeps vindicating Ghanaians for voting against them. Farouk, yeah, so the Abba and so I don't know. We I say Mahama is the best. Nana came to Dambai to give us hospital. As of now, we are yet to see the NPP lies again. Alhaji Aziz from Dambai. Alhaji, Yanchao and then you Dambai for whom at the same so Odoi Okay, Odoi Enso Eddie Efri Ashamai and Ode Abba. Was it ex-president Mahama can continue bragging, but we will not vote for him neither today or tomorrow. And also Eddie Ode Abba. Me and one tum kakrebi ubet me afre na afi odo agenche no etimi Eddie Abba. Friend of agenche no Ebra enyumre. We say the NPP man can mention free SHS. If you not stop this infrastructure thing, he has no fact. Don't okay. Say Asemo. We say the NDC is on top in terms of infrastructure. Kajetia alone. Tell the NPP man that JM will never give workers a 4% salary increment. God bless Mr. Udike. Emmanuel, they are also Eddie Abba. I don't know. We say I'm OT from Kubase. Please tell the man to stop talking about infrastructure and agri development because he's making we the farmers vex. The present government has not done anything to push agri in this country. Well, hello, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. I'll show you a friend, you may. Madam, Yentio. Okay, Yentio.
Agree. More you kwacha baby. $540 million. As my man would
hello, good evening. So they have actually president. Abaniyentio. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello. We say good evening. We the youth want jobs. Please, not promises. Mustafa, taxi driver. Okay. Yeah. Me too. Dakope, me too. Good.
$1,000 bed. 1,000.
Isaiah Man Ventures, Chronom Osit Market. In fact, criminal cases in Ghana is now too much. Okay. Hello, good evening. Good evening, I'll show you free. Nami Adam. Yetio Pakasa. Okay. Hello, good evening. Good evening, I'll show you free. Okay, Yentio. Okay. 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 It has Amisco Pelele from Kasua. Good news to you, Tag, for suspending. Amisco, I'm suspending you. Hello, good evening.
One statement.
You need to show me friend, you may. Afaya, I couldn't find out Quaboko there. Good. Okay, any NTO. Aye.
Asemu yo amekana ade. Wo position tina ba. Wo wanya campaign dani akonya na ma. Wo nimu hwe. Okay.
Okay, Nana Yaya Kufifo na teacher constitution. Yamwase or say Nana Ado's government and achievements are killing the NDC slowly. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Master Planner Kintampo or say Espresso Mahama is not doing any thank you tour. Okay. Hello, good evening. We need to share free. Yes, please. But I ain't on you, Ray.
Documentation you may have been a contractor.
All right, yes, so please, I've never knew you have such a great program. I watch you from today. OG every Castek, maybe another school BD. Hello, good evening. Good evening, I'll free. Good evening, I'll free because I ain't you, Wadaroma. Yet your Parkasa. Majoso. Yeah. Okay. 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 Right. Okay. Right. Yana say, for this year. Sami Buatia Saman Kese, or said Agenda 111 Hospital Project, another good policy initiated by the visionary President Nana Akufo-Addo. okay ne de ode aba eno no messages na mo no rantem na minyamre enkenkan yesa na dos wan kan so a na akoye asem OPK Eddie Free go so on the day was clueless and super incompetent Mahama say it is not the responsibility of one leader to fix the country shows he created the mess for 8 years and we and where will Nanado gets the funding for the Ajanawawa hospital shows NDC have no clue to Ghanaians problem so never again okay okay yes sorry
yeah okay
yeah the crack
ne say o man Ghana ye be development bia ekoye budget na wo ya budget a yewura chairman sa ejina simpi so eka kire ye wabra na finance minister yare na you must be raise 72 billion na Ghana 72 billion no ye dey move 50% ekotua ye ka ye dey hu se hu na ye dey emu 70% etua wage bill edumafo akatua akase afa kura no ya sabe ye revenue a media budget review no ya nya revenue shortfall dina na do bada wasisi da no
okay ye mo mpa
ana de wo so me ba nya mpa ye anya feasible GOD se ko kwaje bosia de a ade aka mete ase ba ye sika no ye timi rezi ye timi nya sika
me na say Aziz Eddie Free Dambai Alhaji Aziz na na so me kan kire o say cement ni petru ontimi ntowo Dambai Aziz Alhaji Aziz de
agric minister
Alhaji Aziz ontimi ntowo petru
any cement e Dambai
oh Alhaji Aziz obetimi ato
na bebre ubi
obetimi ato
o abem
obetimi ato
na ni mu shane e shane
eno na odeke
udiye
ba ye wo si yesi bi fla blochi na
okay
odi frame o si bi fla
nana yemre no okay
na ni e kan say na Kufuado be ye juma no
right
e ma juma na so bi bi
o mo pa appointment ma mo pa appointment ma nana
Kufuado be ye juma
no nana e shana bre
o mu fi no
wa bre
na no fi achem
okay
I
the same I put
the
so nana agree is an encounter we have an entire crew na me admo china e be sia yakra
the animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afa na kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afa na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom o sa glue an kasa nkra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye o be ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hu na say ebe ye mremremre
okay
a wo ba nyim easily